2, 1, go. Wow, heavy, man. But the problem is the stamina of the Phoenix Wing. But yeah. Oh, it burst, G. Wow. That's so nice. So yeah, that's our Phoenix Wing right here, and it's very, very strong. But yeah, the paints were already chipping. And yeah, like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. It has 19 scratches already. But yeah, still strong, very nice, but nice to play. So maybe you, if you want to display this Beyblade, you just need to buy another one to be a display. And then the other one is for battle, if you want to have a battle.